It's a 2004 Toyota Camry. Consider the intelligence of airbags, side impact barriers, daytime running lights, power windows with one-touch driver open, power door locks with two-stage unlock, air filtration, and rear heat ducts. Enjoy the responsive handling of fully independent suspension and rack and pinion steering. The excellence of Toyota engineering and a wide range of safety and convenience features make this Camry a most intelligent choice.